if I told you that creating a simple book on Amazon KDP can make you above $1,000 every single month? And the good part is that you can repeat this process over and over again. It may sound too good to be real, but if you're looking for a way to make extra money online, Amazon KDP is a good way to start. I'm going to be showing you a low content niche, very profitable, high in demand, that can help you achieve earning above $1,000 every single month. And I'll also show you a random beginner on KDP who is making above $1,000 every single month. So whether you're a beginner looking for how to start publishing on KDP, or you are already using KDP, or you are looking for a profitable niche to publish to increase your earning, this video is for you. Try to watch to the end, because I'll be showing you an untapped KDP niche, low content KDP niche, that you can create even without having prior experience. Ordinary publishers like you and I are creating and publishing this book and making money every single month. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel, more often than not, I talk about different ways to make money online. If you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification as you get notified each time I upload a new video about how to make money online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. For my amazing subscribers, I appreciate you all. Now let's dive into the video. So in this video, the niche I'll be talking about is puzzle book for teens. And more often, I usually use Titan's quick view to do my analysis to ascertain if a niche is profitable and if it's going to sell. So I usually base my analysis on 3 factors. So if the niche meets or satisfies the 3 factors, I will go ahead and publish it. The first factor is I'll be searching for the search result. If this niche gives me search results of 1,000 or less, I will know that the competition is not too high. But if it gives me anything 1,000 and above, I will know that the competition is too high, so I won't bother writing on it, or I'm going to niche down. The second one is a niche score of 50 and above. Then the third is I'll be searching for 2 or 3 books on the first page of Amazon KDP that will give me bestseller rank of 300 or below. I will know that there is demand for this book, because there's no point publishing a book that nobody is buying and nobody is searching. So from here, the puzzle book for teens is giving me search results of 57. So already the first factor is not met, so I'm not going to consider it. The second factor as well, the niche score is below 50, is 33. So these 2 has already disqualify this particular. So what I'm going to do is to niche down. Since the search result is too high, I'm going to niche down to see if I can see a market, a particular title that will give me sales. So I'll be searching for, I'll be niching down. So I will search for puzzle books for teens between the age of 12 to 16. So as you can see, the search result has reduced to 301, which means that this particular niche is going to give me high sales, because there is low competition here. People are searching for it. Number of independently published is 26, which is okay. This niche score is 66, which is above 50 that I'm considering. So it has already satisfied this 1 and 2 factors. So the third factor is I'll be searching for 2 or 3 books on the first page of Amazon KDP that will give me a bestseller rank of 300 or below. That will tell me that there is demand for this book, so it will help me to know that people are buying this book, not just searching. So this is independently published, and the bestseller rank is 22,500. So it has already satisfied my third factor, but I'll search for another one. This is independently published. 6,000, bestseller rank of 6,000. This is independently published, 54. So these 3 books now are all independently published by ordinary publishers like you and I. So it has already confirmed that this niche is profitable and it has potential of giving high sales if I publish mine. So I'm going to go ahead to check the details of one of these books to see what it looks like, and to show that it's very easy to create. It doesn't need much experience to start publishing this kind of book. This is basically compilation of different games for teens. You can see different games. You have puzzle inside, you have maze, you have word search games there too. Is mainly to keep teenagers busy. It has a vocabulary puzzle, mandalas to color. There are so many, just compilation of so many games for teens in one book. It's up to 109 pages of different games. So it's a book that is very simple to create. Then let's check the how much this person is making with bestseller rank of 661 and the price of 9.99. Let's see how much this person is making every month and how many copies is selling every month. 6627. This is recording up to 26 copies every day and up to 780 copies, 780 to 960 copies every single month. And with the price of 9.99 times say 900 on the average, 900 copies on the average. The person is recording up to $8,000 every single month, and this book was independently published just from an ordinary publisher, and every single day, every single month, this person is recording sales. So as you can see, this is a very profitable niche, an untapped niche, low content niche that can give you sales as a beginner. It is not just saturated yet. From our search result is less than 400, so it is a good niche to try as a beginner on Amazon KDP. That will be all for this particular niche. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and if you want me to make a video on how to create this particular book, you also let me know in the comment section. Thank you and see you in my next video.